We're back to shoot a short video. Little video on the Hawk 250 and some mods. And this is the 2019. We got the aftermarket chain. Heavier than the stock one. We got the 1745 tooth sprockets on it. We got the tusk shifter on it. That's the one thing everyone seems to like. If you ever dumped your Hawk 250, you realize that turns into a pretzel when it hits the ground. We got the, what do we got here? We got the bag, which is pretty nice. Keep your tools in it. Fits real nice on the back, where the rack would be. The aftermarket exhaust that everyone seems to like. We got the aftermarket carburetor, is the cheaper one, the $20 or $30 one. And we painted the forks. I thought that would mesh the bike a little better. And the main thing, the mirrors. They move, adjustable. And we'll give you a shot from the front and what they look like. Gives it like a more rugged look toward the stock mirror. Give you an idea of the size of these new mirrors. We're looking at 10 inches. And as you see, they do not move. No adjusting on them. So when you dump the bike, they snap your purchase. Like there. Anyone that dump the bike know how they snap. Which is why I went with the aftermarket levers. Because I had no choice, because I needed to purchase. But the bad thing is, with them mirrors, I can't get them no more. I got them off eBay. And if I would have knew they were going to do away with them, I would have got another one. And let me give you this idea of the size here. Roughly about 10 inches. Same size. But when you move on to what I found, the replacement for these are these. This is on the 2020. Look very similar, except the mirrors are, let's see on this one here, actually bigger. by an inch. And actually wider. 3 inches versus three and a half wide. Actually, and when you extend these all the way, guys, you'll like this. You're looking at almost a foot. So, as you can see, this actually goes out a lot further. And you can give them the look if you really want them. Like the low profile look. But the real cool thing, when you're riding on the highway, they go out really far. And if you're all about the view on the road, you'll like them. This one also has the, I got a tank bag on this one. Just a cheap bag, like 16 bucks. And I got it, well, almost like the same version on the rear. This is the 2020 Hawk. This one got the more expensive Navy carburetor and cold air intake. And it's got my favorite, the digital dash. But yeah, I definitely love these mirrors. But there you go. That was the everything on these bikes are cheap, man. I made sure no expensive parts on it. That's what's a little worried about the mirrors, because I knew there was one out there. The mirrors are pretty pricey, but man, they are awesome. But these are a really good cheap alternative. And I actually got these on eBay. I'm going to see if I can find a link, maybe put it in like the comments. But if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe.